Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there you will see the edit icon just out there. And here, as can you see, we got a wow available icons on our notification bar. And if you want to just add the icon to your notification panel, you can just hold for a while these icons from the down section, hold and drag it to the position where you want to add the icon. And by the same way, we can also add one more icon here. And if you want to remove some icons, for example this one, just hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. And by the same way, you can remove more icons. And also you can just change the position of your icons here. Just hold and drag it to the position where you want to just take your icon, for example here. And just to save all the changes, tap here to back, and now you can see all the changes on our notification panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.